Hello there, I'm here to explain the characteristics of the AC sine wave and show the visual and mathematical aspects to further develop your knowledge. Before we commence on this journey, please understand that the sine wave is a standing wave and not a sine waving at you. The AC sine wave is unlike the DC wave, as it has an alternating current or polarity at every half cycle compared to the linear equivalent. The AC wave is generated by a rotating coil within a magnetic field, cutting the flux and producing an EMF as a result of Lenz's law. Due to the sine nature of the wave, it can be manipulated to suit specific needs. An analysis of this wave reveals aspects about the AC generation and can be broken down into separate parts. From the graph to the right, the period, defined as one complete wavelength or 2 pi, can be determined in meters. Due to the inverse relationship with frequency, this can also be calculated in hertz. The amplitude can be visually determined against the vertical axis as A max, representing the voltage or current, and reveals the peak value. It is the measurement from the average value to the maximum instantaneous value. The peak-to-peak current or voltage is determined by summing the difference between the positive and negative peak values. The mathematical equation shown explains how information regarding the sine wave can be obtained at instantaneous moments, or the visual shape of the graph. The amplitude is expressed as Am, the maximum current or voltage value. The sinusoidal modifier containing omega t plus theta can be divided up into determining the frequency and phase angle. Omega represents the angular velocity, or 2 pi times frequency. T represents an instant in time, allowing determination of instantaneous values, and theta represents the phase angle and is useful in determining the position of the sine wave. The phase angle describes the sine wave in relation to the origin or another wave present, such as voltage and current, denoted by the positive or negative sign in front of theta. A positive sign indicates a leading or left shift, while a negative sign induces a lagging or right shift. The phase angle is measured in degrees and is determined by the magnitude between waves over the wavelength multiplied by 360 degrees. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding AC sine waves and their characteristics, and also how to analyze and derive them mathematically. Thank you, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe.